Hi everyone, today we will be making one of my favorite treats, Brookies, part brownie part cookie. First, for the cookie batter, we will combine 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, melted and cooled with 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, add chocolate chips to the batter and mix all together. Then, in a separate bowl for the brownie batter, combine 1 cup unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, 1/3 cup of chopped chocolate, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil mixed together. Now pour your brownie batter into your pan lined with parchment paper. Break your cookie batter into pieces and scatter in the brownie batter. Add more brownie batter on top of cookie batter. Top off with a few more pieces of the cookie batter. Pop in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees and enjoy. Thanks for watching.